In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation to the breadth first search coding exercise. At the top of the code, we will include the queue header file. Inside of our breadth first search function, we will have a queue of node pointers named queue. Then we will push root onto the queue. While the queue is not empty, we will create a node pointer named n that we set to queue.front. After that, we will pop the front element off of the queue. Next, we will output the value of node n to the console. Then we will check if n's left child is not null, and as long as it isn't null, we will push it to the queue. If n's right child isn't null, we'll push it onto the queue. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.